All right. We have another unboxing time. Though, really, I can open this thing. There we go. Goodness. It's really an unbagging, but that doesn't sound nearly as cool as unboxing. If I can open it. Stygian Lepus. There's my name. This is a brand new anthology. Edition 27. Stygian Lepus Magazine. And I have a story in this. There's all the editors. Where's my story? Page 31, Death from Above. There it is. Death from above. From above. There's me. Look at me. There you go. The story of Clarence. Death from Above. Very cool. Add this to my bookshelf. It's like an 8.5 by 11. It's pretty big. Bunch of pieces. See all the other people in the book. Very cool. I know a couple of these names. I guess they did it in alphabetical order by last name. That's why I'm last. Not because it's the worst story. They didn't judge it that way, I swear. Very cool. Pick up a copy wherever copies are sold.